is Wendy, and I need your support in my fight against mediation abuse. A mediation where I felt threatened, abused, manipulated, coerced, intoxicated, and possibly drugged as the only woman among 5 men at a court-ordered mediation. And at that, this mediation lasted over 12 hours. And yes, you heard right. Alcohol was served during mediation, and at that poured into glasses by the opposing attorney and slid to me, and all without my attorney being present. And I could not refuse. My attorney told me after my husband left a divorce court-ordered mediation before it started that I could not leave or refuse to do anything requested of me, or the judge would rule against me and I would lose my company regardless of any outcome that we had decided. The people involved in this mediation, they represent some of the most powerful and influential legal professionals in Houston and in Texas. I was told by these people would be protected from my claims and were too high to fall. And such appears true. But the public must be forewarned. Instead of a fair and impartial mediation like the public is told exists, when we are forced into a mediation, I feel as if these people worked hard to suppress my claims and minimize me as a woman. Those involved in my abuse represent the core of mediation oversight and should be held to higher example for mediations. If I can be treated like this by them, what is happening in other mediations? We must fight. I will discuss who these people as I retell the events and show you the documents to prove that my cause is worthy for donations and that continuing this fight helps the public and may help you or someone you care about in the future when they're forced into a mediation hinged on confidentiality that allows abuse. Whose interests should be important at mediation? Certainly not the self-interest of the lawyers or mediator, as appeared to have happened to me. The public must be made aware that confidentiality can be used to hide mediation abuse, bullying, manipulation, and more. Some of you may have their own stories of mediation abuse. Feel free to email me at support@smanow.org. Stop mediation abuse now. And let's work to stop mediation abuse and force the creation of boundaries to protect us, the public. Be aware that this can happen to you. Listen, learn, and share with everyone so we all be protected. And feel free to email me about your abuse of mediation, and especially those who I mention here. Together, we can stop mediation abuse so that you and others will not experience what I did. As you can see from my story and the documents, the legals can manipulate and alter individuals and records to benefit and protect themselves. They can use mediation to abuse and achieve their own goals at the demise of us, the public. Fight the abuse. Bring awareness to the dangers. Share this site with everyone through emails and on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and every site that you know. See that my claims are justifiable for donations, and my documents show that these legals appeared to work together to deplete my money to prevent my fight against them. These cases need to be judged by a jury of the public. Let's take a stand and notify everyone about this abuse. Stop mediation abuse now. Donations made to me may be made without identifying yourself to protect you. Let's expose the truth. Anonymous donations are accepted. Thank you.